Hello, in this video we will discuss five different count functions. So this is the list of functions which we will discuss today. Count, CountA, CountIF, CountBlank, CountIFs. These are very useful functions. Let's start. First we'll start with the count. Here is one you can see one table, okay, with some junk value which we will use. In this table there are some cells which are filled with numbers like this 4, 7, 9 and so on, and some are filled with the alphabets, means the words are there, okay, and some are blanks. So using these functions we can count these different cells, okay. Count is the function which will count the cells. It will not count sum the numbers. It will only it will count the cells which are filled with numbers only. It will not count this high, this high, Ali. Let's say I type hello here, so it will count only how many cells are filled with the numbers. Okay. So we can count one, two, three, three in this, six, seven, eight, and nine cells are filled with the numbers. Okay. Let's see what count function give us the value. Count, count, and then select this whole table, bracket close. That's it. You have to give the range and don't no need to give any condition. So the count is 9, which was correct. Second function is count A. It will count all the cells which are filled with any value. It will also count the numbers and as well as the alphabets. Okay. So 9 numbers were there, 10, 11, 12 and 13 total cells are there which are filled. Let's check, is equal to count, count A. Okay, now again select the range, bracket close, enter. You can see 13 is the number. 9 are numbers here and 4 are alphabets. So total 9. So this is also correct. Now count in. Count in is the function which will count based on a condition. Here we can give any condition. Let's say we will give a condition, count the cells which have value 7. We have 3 cells which have value 7. Let's see what will be the result. Is equal to count, sorry, count if you like this, if you will type the count, this list will come with the all count commands. With the down arrow key, select it and press tab. Okay, so it will select that. Now select complete range. Range is set, comma, the condition is criteria 7, the cells which have the value 7, select. So we have 3 cells value with the 7. Okay, we will repeat it and we will give some word here. Word we have to give in the quotation marks. Okay, so we will press hello, type hello. Quotation means inverted comma close, bracket close. You can see it can count word and number. So if you will give any word, you have to give in quotation. Move to the next, count blank. Count blank means it will count the blank cells. How many cells are blank? Okay, equal to count blank. Again, if the function or command is written like this, just press tab. Okay, select the range. Again, here no condition is required, only range, bracket close or enter. 23 total cells are blank. Let's see, I will fill another cell here with 2. Now cells are reduced. I will delete any cell. Can you see that it is reducing? Okay. So like this, I'll remove this as well. So count is changing. It will count the blank cells. Okay, now the next and last command, count if s. Count if s is the function. What is the difference between CountIF and CountIFs? In CountIF, we can give only one condition, but in CountIFs, we can give more than one conditions. To test this function, we will use this table. This table has names, names of some employees, their location, and their grades. Okay, Dalpat is located in India and his grade is 5. Amish is in UAE, his grade is 6. So on. Ali is in Qatar and grade is 6. Wasim is in Pakistan and grade has a grade 5. Here we will search how many employees are in India and their grade is 5. Okay, so here one, two, three employees are in India and their grades are 5. I'll make one more here, India, with grade 6. So we have total 1, 2, 3, location India with grade 5 and 1 is with 6. So our answer should be 3 when we will use this condition, equal to count if, again select with the arrow key and press tab, select this range because first we will use first condition, not the whole table. Range is there, comma, what is the criteria? As our criteria is a alphanumeric, our alpha value means some word, therefore we will give it in inverted commas. India means if the location of employee is India, comma, second the grade, we will check its grade should be 5. Again second range we have mentioned, comma, second condition is 5. As it is a number, so we will not write it in quotation. Close. Note our answer will be 3. Okay, you can see answer is 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 implies in India, but out of 4, 1, 2, 3 have the grade 5. The fourth one has the grade 6.